Hello viewers, we wish to continue our drawing tutorial on bubble letters X to Z. First of all, we draw the ordinary form alphabets S to Z. X to Z before we can dive into the actual bubble lettering. X is curvy and fun, like a backward Z with smooth edges. T is easy, just a top bar and a curvy line down. V is just two slanted lines meeting at the bottom. Let's poof it up a little bit for a bubble effect. W is two V's stuck together, wide and fun. Make sure the curves connect smoothly. X is two diagonal lines crossing in the middle. I will make them thick and curvy. Y starts like a V, then drops a line straight down. Keep it soft and round like a wishbone. Last one, Z. Just three connected lines with a zigzag style. Let's round off the corners to finish in bubble style. This is the end of our tutorial, bubble letter drawing A to Z. If you enjoy my video, do well to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks and have a nice day.